Imagine walking into your garden in the middle of summer and being greeted by a sea of vibrant blooms, day after day, week after week, without having to replant a thing. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're revealing the best perennials that bloom all summer long, so you can have a garden bursting with color from June straight through to fall. If you love easy, low-maintenance gardening tips and plant ideas, make sure to subscribe or visit TN Nursery for your garden's next showstoppers. Perennials are the backbone of any beautiful garden. Unlike annuals, which need to be replanted every year, perennials come back stronger each season, offering a reliable and lasting display. But not all perennials are equal when it comes to bloom time. Some flower for just a few weeks, while others keep the color going for months. In this guide, we'll focus on the true summer workhorses, perennials that don't just survive the heat, but thrive in it, providing continuous color and charm all season long. Let's dive right into our summer champions, plants that keep the flowers coming when other blooms fade. 1. Coneflowers, Echinacea, a true summer superstar. Coneflowers shine with bold, daisy-like petals in pink, purple, and even fiery orange. They love full sun, tolerate drought, and draw pollinators like butterflies and bees all season long. And here's the best part: they're deer-resistant, so you can plant without worry. Speaking of plants that just won't quit. 2. Black-eyed Susans, Rudbeckia. With their cheerful golden petals and dark centers, black-eyed Susans are the definition of summer happiness. They bloom from early summer into fall, thrive in poor soil, and handle heat and humidity like champs, making them perfect for busy or beginner gardeners. If you want a plant that's pure sunshine in flower form. 3. Coreopsis. Known for their bright yellow and red blooms, coreopsis delivers a non-stop flower show from early summer until frost. They're pollinator magnets, adding movement and life to your garden with visiting butterflies. 4. Shasta daisies. Nothing says classic garden beauty quite like Shasta daisies. Their crisp white petals and sunny yellow centers are a timeless favorite, and they bloom for months with very little care. 5. Lavender. Fragrant, beautiful, and long-blooming, lavender thrives in sunny spots and poor soil. Plus, you can cut the flowers for crafts, sachets, or even calming teas, making it as useful as it is gorgeous. Now, if you want these blooms to keep going strong all summer, here are some bloom-boosting tips. Deadhead spend flowers to encourage more buds. Water deeply but less often to grow strong roots. Add compost in spring to feed your plants naturally. With these perennials in your garden, you won't just have flowers, you'll have months of color, fragrance, and life returning year after year. Your summer garden will be the one that neighbors talk about and envy. Ready to bring these all-summer blooms to your yard? Pre-order your perennials now at TN Nursery for the best selection before they sell out. And don't forget to follow us for more planting tips, garden inspiration, and seasonal favorites. Your perfect summer garden starts here.